Let's have some grilled tilapia, guys. Early in the morning, craving for grilled tilapia. Thank you for watching. And us in our garden of grilling in the garden. Thank you, everyone. Ay, pag daw mabango na, guys, luto na daw siya. Kasi kung ma-over naman, overcook, maging dry na siya, nawawala yung kanyang juice. Kaya pag mabango na, it's time to take them off. Let's have some grilled tilapia. Thank you for watching. Tang. It's almost done. Oh, ready na siguro to, guys. Here's our grilled tilapia. Yung isa, guys, ano mo natin ilang minutes kasi makapal siya. Parang hilaw pa yung loob. Thank you for watching. Tang.